Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest tools and gadgets. Today, we're reviewing what could easily be the best soldering tool for precise desoldering. The KeenWise 30W Solder Sucker Desoldering Gun Tool, also known as the EDS91. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a hobbyist, this desoldering gun could be exactly what you need to make your next project quicker, cleaner, and more efficient. At first glance, this tool is compact and portable, making it easy to handle for extended periods without any discomfort. It's designed as a dual-use tool, combining both a solder sucker and a desoldering iron in one convenient device. This makes it ideal for anyone working with through-hole components. Whether you're repairing circuit boards, taking apart electronics, or even creating custom soldering work. The versatility of the EDS91 means you can use it for a variety of desoldering tasks with minimal effort. One of the standout features of this tool is its quick heat-up time. It reaches the optimal temperature in no time, which is a huge advantage when you're trying to get through your desoldering tasks quickly. The 30W power provides enough heat to melt solder effectively without being too hot to cause damage to sensitive components. The built-in vacuum pump offers strong suction power to quickly remove solder, ensuring that the desoldering process is both smooth and efficient. The powerful suction is designed to work continuously without jamming, which is essential for keeping your workflow uninterrupted. Another feature that makes this tool incredibly user-friendly is its easy-to-clean design. The solder storage tube can be emptied with ease, and the nozzles are interchangeable, allowing you to choose the right size depending on your needs. With 4 different nozzle sizes, 0.8 mm, 1.0 mm, 1.2 mm, and 1.5 mm, this tool can handle various desoldering applications, from precise detail work to larger surface areas. The nozzles are also designed to prevent clogging, so you don't have to worry about frequent maintenance. Safety is a top priority with the KeenWise desoldering gun, and the high-temp resistant handle ensures that you can operate it safely without the risk of burns. The handle is designed for comfort, allowing you to grip it for longer periods without strain. The durable stainless steel shroud and heating element also add to the longevity of the tool, making it a reliable companion for both professional repair shops and home use. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the KeenWise EDS91 is a fantastic tool that strikes the perfect balance between price and performance. With its combination of quick heating, strong suction power, and interchangeable nozzles, it's designed to give you a precision desoldering experience that is both fast and clean. If you're in the market for a desoldering gun, the KeenWise 30W Solder Sucker Desoldering Gun Tool could very well be the one to add to your toolkit. Thanks for tuning in to this review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth product reviews, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts on the KeenWise desoldering gun. Until next time, this is Product Critique, helping you make informed decisions on the best tools for your projects.